Hello everyone, welcome to Brainpedia. My name is Himanshu and I am your maths faculty for PSCs and other competitive exams like JEE Maths and Advanced and everything. Okay, so last day I had taught you area under curve. Today I am going to continue that, and we are going to solve some of the numericals. We are going to learn some of the concepts. Okay, everything. So let's start with the topic, guys. So in the last class we had learned or started area under curve. Okay. This is not working. Just wait a minute. So we had done some of the numericals based on area under curve, right? And I told you that if you are having any doubt, you can just hit on the comment, and I would be looking at your comment, and then I would be giving you the resolution as well. Okay. Now I would like to tell you one thing, that you need to recall your just recall the part that you have been taught in what do we call the conic section parabolic part. Okay, the parabolic curve. Okay, so you need to recall it. Like if I say y is equals to x square, the curve will look like this way, open upward, right? Yes or no? Open upward. Okay, this part you should know actually. Then if y is equals to suppose x square plus 1 or minus 1. Okay, so what will you do? It is above 1 unit or it is below 1 unit. Okay, it is below 1 unit. So the graph will look like this way. This is minus 1. Okay, and this one is plus 1. So above x-axis 1 unit and below x-axis 1 unit, you need to draw the parabolic curve. Okay, suppose I have given you y square is equals to 4ax. So this one is very easy. You already know that it would be open leftward, and if it is y square is equals to minus 4ax, so it was a positive x-axis, this one will become negative x-axis. Okay, this part you should know actually. If y is equals to minus x square, then the curve would be downward. Obviously vertex is touching that one. Okay, it will touch the vertex at origin. Clear? Now y is equals to minus x square plus minus 1. So obviously it was downward. So if it is plus 1, for plus 1. Okay, and if it is minus 1, the curve may look like this way. So this is at plus 1, this one is at minus 1 unit. It can be plus 2, minus 2, anything. Okay, you can learn in that way, like plus a unit or plus p unit or minus p unit. So above p, below p, that part only. Okay, next you need to know like y minus k whole square, the vertex form. I hope you remember, right? Plus minus 4ax minus h. Okay, so what should be the look, what will it look like? at vertex h comma k, at vertex h comma k. If it is positive, then what do we call? Like what do we say on the positive x-axis? If it is negative, then at h comma k only, the graph will look like this way. At h comma k only. Okay, clear? In the same manner, suppose I have taken x minus h whole square equals to plus minus 4a y minus k. So this thing I have taken. So at h comma k, if it is plus, so it would be open upward. Okay. If it is minus, so the vertex is same, open downward. Okay. This part you should remember. Clear? Understood. So these are the basic thing that I am just revising it or recapping it for you guys. That's it. Okay. Now the next part. Let's take one question like find, and I am going to give you trick as well. Okay. That how you can find out the answers by using the tricks. So find the region bounded. Find the region bounded between y equals to minus x square minus 1 and y equals to x square from x equals to 1 minus 1 to x equals to 2 is what? You need to find this. Okay. So you need to check the upper curve, lower curve part as well. Okay. So first of all, draw the graph. Minus x square minus 1. So minus x square is downward, right? And minus 1, that means it will not touch the x axis. So the graph must be this one. The graph must be this one. Below minus 1 unit. Y equals to x square. It means what? It will touch the x axis. I hope you remember this one. Now add x equals to what? Minus 1 to at x equals to 2. You need to find out the area formed. So let's check the area formed is nothing but at this portion. Okay. Clear? So they have asked you to calculate this area. In the last class I had taught you that which one is upper curve, which one is lower curve. So this is y equals to x square. So this is upper curve, yes or no? Upper curve u dot c. This one is lower curve l dot c. Okay, clear? So we have already drawn the graph. Now we are going to find out the answer. So what should be the answer, guys? Integration from minus 1 to 2. Upper curve is x square minus lower curve is minus x square minus 1. Okay, this is lower curve dx. And that's it. You need to find out the value. Okay. So, okay. Integration minus 1 to 2. 2x square plus 1 dx. And then 2 by 3 x cube plus x. limiting from -1 to 2. Okay, and you need to calculate the value. That's it, like 2 by 3 2 cube plus 2. Okay, minus of -1, so plus 2 by 3. Okay, clear, plus 2 by 3. Okay, and this one is minus, again minus of x, so plus 1. Solve it out, how much we are getting? 16 by 3 plus 3 plus 2 by 3. So we are getting as 18 by 3 plus 3, isn't it? Which is nothing but 6 is 18, so 9. What is the answer? The answer is 9 unit. Okay, the answer is 9 square unit. Okay, 9 square unit. I hope I was able to make you understand, right? Isn't it? Now, next we have, let's solve one to two more questions. Like, okay, next question, it says find the area of the region bounded between y equals to x square minus 4 and line y equals to minus x plus 2. This is the given question. You need to find out the solution for this. Okay, this is your given question part. So first of all, you need to find out the, what do we call, abscissa, like the values of x. So this is the curve in terms of y, this is also the curve in terms of y. So what I am going to do, x square minus 4 is equals to minus x plus 2. I am going to equate the values of y. So x square plus x, and this one is minus 6. Okay, clear. So from there you will get some values. What is it? X plus 3 times x minus 2. That is the values of x you will get, minus 3 and 2. So this is your lower limit. Okay, this one would be upper limit. Now you need to draw the curve as well. So to draw the curve, y equals to x square minus 4. So suppose if you want to draw x square minus 4. Okay, this is minus 4 unit. Understood? Now, when you are taking x as y as 0, x is how much? X is 2, right? And you need to check whether it is satisfying 2 for this one as well or not. Okay, clear? Understood? So let's take this one as the values of x as 2. When y was 0, x is 2. Okay, so this is 2 comma 0 and it is satisfying as well. Parabolic curve as well. When x is 0, y is y is 2 comma 0. 2 comma 0 is somewhere over here. Okay. Okay. So we, like if you draw the line, it will cut the curve somewhere, yes or no? Okay, definitely it will cut the curve. Okay. I need to find out this value as well. Okay. I need to find out this value as well. So this one we already did, I guess. That was how much? Minus 3, isn't it? What is the value? Minus 3. So if I substitute the values of minus 3, I will get the value of y. Yes or no? Right. So what area they have asked you to calculate? This area. Which area they have asked you to calculate? This area. So if you want to calculate this area, which is the upper curve? The line will be upper curve. Yes or no? And this parabolic curve would be lower curve. This part you need to be very careful. Okay. So limiting is from what? Minus 3 to 2. Upper curve is what? Minus x plus 2. Minus of lower curve is what? Parabolic curve. And that's it. You need to solve it out. And this is your answer. Okay. This is your answer. I will give you a trick as well for solving these kind of numericals. So minus 3 to 2. Okay. What we are getting? Minus x square minus x plus 6. Okay. That's what we are getting. Okay. And that's it. Solve it out. So 6 minus x square minus x integration minus 3 to 2 dx. Okay. And solve the values. 6x minus x cube by 3 minus x square by 2. And this is limiting from minus 3 to 2. Okay. I'm writing it over here. Minus 3 to 2. Okay. So how much we are getting? 12 minus 8 by 3 minus 4 by 2. Minus of minus will give you plus 18. 6 is 18, right? Minus of minus will give you plus, but minus 27 by 3. Minus of minus will give you plus 9 by 2. So solving it out this one, and whatever the value you are getting, that would be the answer. Okay. So how much we are getting? 18 plus 12, 40. This is 9 minus 9. Sorry, 30 minus 9. 2 2s are 4, so minus 2 as well. Minus 8 by 3 plus 9 by 2. Okay. So how much you are getting? 11. So 19 minus 8 by 3 plus 9 by 2. Okay, like 3 2 is okay, 19 3 is 57. 57 minus 8, 49 by 3 plus 9 by 2. Okay, so it will give you how much? It will give you 98 plus 27 by 6 square unit, which is nothing but 125 by 6 square unit. This is the answer. Okay, but it took you very long time, no? Yes or no? It took you very long time, right? So this was the solution. Now I am giving you the trick to solve these kind of numericals by yourself, like without using, like without taking the integration part. What we can do, important shortcuts, some important shortcuts. You can just make a note of it, okay? You can just make a note of it. Firstly, if this is the curve, okay, and the straight line is made over here at this point, that is y ordinate. This one is, suppose x1 comma y1, this is x2 comma y2, whatever it is, or this one I should make 2, I guess. This one would be 1 only, okay. So this area, for finding out this area, I'm directly writing down the shortcut for you guys. So y2 minus y1 whole cube by 6 times of LR. LR is nothing but length of lattice rectum, okay. And I know how to I know that you guys know already that how to find out the length of lattice rectum, okay. Understood? If this is y is equals to x square, right? Isn't it? So suppose we are having these 2 points, x1 comma y1, this point, and this point is x2 comma y2. Directly you can write it down the formula, like area x2 minus x1 whole cube by 6 times length of lattice rectum. So this is the shortcut that you must follow, guys. So if you want to find out this for question, no, the previous one, by using this formula, so this is the values of x only, right? So x2 minus x1 whole cube by 6 times lattice rectum, okay. Now 6 x2 minus x1 was what? X2 was how much? X2 was 2 and minus 3, right? So 2 minus of minus 3 whole cube by 6 times of lattice rectum, that is 1. So how much you are getting? You can see that directly with one line you can get the answer, 1 by 25 by 6 square unit. Okay, understood? 125 by 6 square unit. As you have seen how much time I had taken in solving that question, right? But when you use this formula, and this area was this one only, guys, okay. Okay, clear? So I'm keeping this much. So please enroll. These are the tricks, and say like many more tricks are there. So please enroll yourself in Brainipedia so that you can learn more tricks, more questions, type of questions to solve from your obviously your math teacher Himanshu Sir. Thank you all. Till then, take care. Have a great day, guys. Bye bye.